I am on my way to Johnny's Report. There's a couple small things I need for that SS that it's not just stuff you can just buy. You probably could. I didn't look it up, but I can get them cheap there. I need a plastic shield that connects to the fender liner on the intake side. And I also need the 2 rubber grommets for the driver's side radiator. I have nothing in there right now because I didn't have them. They were lost in the accident. There was I have them all on the passenger side, but I don't have them on the driver's side. So yeah, it's small stuff, but I also have sold this new control arm that I got. I sold it to somebody and it's up where I'm heading. So I'm gonna get money for that, and I also need to go to Harbor Freight. You're gonna see that video of me working on the quarter panel for the Z after this, but it actually happened before this because my bits are all worn out. So I have to go get some spot weld drill bits so I can finish that off. That's gonna be a multiple week video, and it sucks. It's gonna be short for you guys, but for me, it's gonna be long. And also somebody commented, oh yeah, better get this on before the safety police get me. Safety first!
Oh my god, that is funny!
Somebody commented on my video that's why you don't see cobalts on the road anymore. I don't know about you, but cobalts are everywhere here. And I'm gonna prove that because I'm gonna record every one from here until I get to Johnny's. And I'm gonna show you the cobalts are very much alive around here because they're everywhere. I missed one already. There was a red Cobalt SS back here on that street. Darn it! Silver Cobalt! Another silver Cobalt! Oh! Well, I'll be darned if that ain't the 3rd silver Cobalt before I even left town.
Son of a...
Silver Cobalt!
Another silver Cobalt!
I'm telling you, if my head was not attached to my shoulders, I would leave it sitting in my garage. Guess what I left in the garage? My tool bag with all my tools. I have to go to Harbor Freight anyways, and I don't need that many tools for the stuff that I need. So I'm just gonna go get some tools. I need an 8mm or a 7mm, a 10mm, a clip tool. That's basically all I need. But I need some spot weld drill bits. So I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight first, get that stuff, and then we'll go to Johnny's after I sell this stuff. The control arm. I at least remember the control arm. That's a good thing. Oh, teal Cobalt. They're just so rare. You don't see them anymore. I'm sure there's several there. Black Cobalt. Walmart parking lot. Guaranteed to have about 30 Cobalts. I think I can see one from here. I can.
Oh, it must be my lucky day. It was another Cobalt.
If that hoe won't, that Chevy Cobalt. Just sold that control arm for 40 bucks. Now, let's go spend her, boys. Let's go spend it all, plus. Then after this, we're gonna go Cobalt sighting. Highly surprised to not see a Cobalt at Johnny's. I had a good line for the next one. Gosh darn it.
One more wine, one more whiskey, and we just kept the car in park and dim the headlights so we see the stars. Let them tell us where we should start. And I'm scared as hell because there's no way to know how this goes. But I can't help but say I promise to give you my all. But it might break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. I won't let you down. But it might break me. dizzy. And when you're gone, I miss your face. Tonight I'll meet you in our favorite place. And just can't let this wait one more day. But I'm scared as hell, and there's just no way to know how this goes. And I can't help but say, trusting why you are so beautiful. But it might break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. I won't let you down. But it might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. But it might break me. It might break me. It might break me. It might break me down. But it might break me. But it might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. It might break me.
But seriously, all I came for was that plastic fender liner and 2 rubber mounts, but I got them. Well, I tried to get a blend door actuator. I ain't doing it. Apparently, you can get your hands up in there. You rip a little bit of insulation out, and you can get your hand up in behind the dash. And I can feel it up in there. And they say that it just clips out. Well, I cannot get it to release. So, we're just gonna leave it alone. It's not even worth trying to change. It's either that or pull the whole dash to change it. It's not worth it to me right now. And they're just about to close, so I better go pay for my parts and get out of here. Whew, it's way colder than it looks like out. It's supposed to warm up this week, but $3.18, which actually $2 again, so $5.18. But that will fully complete the SS. It's only things that were missing off of it, so I have to get it up on the lift. Like I said, that blend door, I tore my hand up trying to get up in there. Apparently, if you rip some insulation out of the corner, you can get your hand up in there, and I could feel it in there. And they say there's no bolts that hold it in on the video I watched, and they just clipped it out. Well, let me tell you, that sucker's in there because my hand hurts from trying to pull that thing off there. I can get it up in there, but she's tight. To add a little bit more content to this video, I have a different front lip that I want to put on the Scion. So I'm going to run the Scion through a car wash, get it all cleaned up, and when I get home, get this thing up on the lift, and I'm going to change that front lip out.
I bet that runs on 12 volt. That's a Chevy Cobalt. Oh!
I just passed back-to-back silver Chevy Cobalts. They are still alive and well. Well, they're alive. We'll just say that. They're maybe not well. A lot of them probably not well, but they're out there. Just saying. So this was a cheap eBay one. I had to modify it to make it fit the way I wanted to. It's okay. I got another one. Okay, so I got this one in hopes it would fit the Cobalt. Would have looked really good, but it was way too wide. And the front end of the Scion is actually wider than the front end of 370. You wouldn't think so, but it is. And also, if it's possible, I'd like to mount these stabilizer bars on here too. These were cheap eBay ones, effective, but I'd like to mount these to the car too. I just don't know if these are going to work out or not. So we'll have to see how this works, but hopefully we can use them. really like the strut look, though. Even though those are cheap eBay ones, I like that. I think it looks good. Even though they weren't long enough to, you know, go up further, but that still works. And I tightened everything up. Now they're going to rust. But I like that look. I think it could have been a little bit skinnier, and I had to grind out some of this lip right here so that the bumper could fit down in it and it would bring this back up. I also put screws in it right there. I accidentally ground too much out over here, as you can see my fingers through there. So might have to do a patch job on that. All in all, I don't think it looks too bad. Well, that's going to be the end of this episode. So if you guys like this video, smash that like button. Consider subscribing. Hit that dislike button if your mom needs a new front lip. And we'll see you on the next episode.
Alright.
Who got a bath? Huh? You hype? You are? She's so excited to see Daddy. Aren't you? Okay, come here. You love Daddy, don't you? Tell everybody bye-bye. Tell them. Are you jealous? Huh? Oh, go kiss your butt. Oh, that is nice. She gave you a kiss. You're gonna attack her. Really? Hey! Alright, I gotta break this fight up.